Hi teachers, have you ever wondered what makes Funmath classes so special? In this video, we will see the unique features of Funmath class and how it helps students in enjoying and excel in math. A Funmath class is more than just a typical math class. It is engaging, interactive and a fun-filled experience for the children where they learn math concepts through specially designed activities and games. These games aren't just for fun, they are thoughtfully aligned with the curriculum, making it both effective and enjoyable. Converting abstract topics into hands-on activities helps students to grasp even difficult topics more easily. In Funmath class, students aren't just passive listeners. They actively participate, work together and help each other to understand the concept, which significantly improves their retention and understanding of the concept. Funmath caters to different learning styles, making sure that every child has a chance to succeed. By combining play with learn, it creates a positive learning environment where students look forward for more math classes. I hope this video gave you a glimpse into what makes Funmath classes so unique. Stay tuned for more videos. Until then, happy teaching.